In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this video, I am going to work on cash transactions, that how we can record cash transactions in QuickBooks Desktop. So we can record cash transactions in QuickBooks Desktop from right check. So click on right check, and from here you can choose an account from which you want to pay the cash. So for example, I am choosing cash in hand. If you pay to someone, so you can choose, for example, I am going to pay salary to Abdullah Rahimi, then click on not now. Here you can write and choose the account, salary, expenses, and here amount, and here write the memo: cash paid, salary paid to Abdullah Rahimi for the month of January 2024. And here we can select customer job, and here the office from in which office this employee works. So then click on save use or save include, so your transaction will be recorded in QuickBooks Desktop. So for every transaction we will record a single entry and write check. For example, another expense, food expenses, and $20 amount, and the memo cash paid for food expenses, and select the customer job and select the office in which this expense occurred, and then click save new. You can also record prepaid expenses as well if you paid in advance, for example prepaid salaries or prepaid office rent, for example $400 and office rent paid to landlord in advance for 2 months, and choose customer job and the office which belongs to this rent, and save new. As we can also record cash transaction for items that we purchase for cash. For example, laptop, I choose laptop Dell, and here write the quantity that you purchased on cash, and here choose customer job, for example health education, and here you can choose the class for which office you purchase this laptop, and then click save include, so your transaction will be recorded. If you want to edit or rectify your transactions, so you can not automatically rectify, so you will go to your account, for example balance sheet, and here I am going to edit my expenses or transaction, for example inventory that I purchased, the quantity. So we can rectify and edit or an entry or delete from repos, then accounting taxes, then general ledger, then click on OK, and here we will find out the entry that we record from transact from right check. So here you can find out the entry, for example salaries. So double click on it, and you can see here the check that you recorded in your book. So if you want to edit the amount, so you can edit from here as well. You can see the previous amount was 10,000 and current amount is $1,000. Click on Save in Clues and then click on Yes. If you want to delete, so double click on the transaction and then click on delete, then click on OK, so your transaction will be deleted from your recording. So this was the process and method of recording cash transactions in QuickBooks Desktop.